In this video, I will show you how you can scan any document on your iPad using the Preview app. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Preview app, then just tap on Scan Document. And after you do that, you will be able to scan any document using the camera on your iPad. Now let's place a document over here. And as you see this blue frame around the document, you will be able to scan the document by tapping on the shutter button. As you can see, currently it is on auto, and in auto mode it will automatically scan the document as it fits the camera frame, but you can change it to manual. And after you change the shutter to manual mode, you will be able to scan the document whenever you want. Now for example, I will tap on the shutter button to scan the document, and from here you can customize the document which we have scanned, just like that. And after you do that, you can either tap on retake and you can rescan the document, or you can tap on keep. And once you're done scanning your document, you can tap on done. And as you can see, this is the document which we have scanned. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.